to make a leaf turkey card. You need 5 or 6 long leaves, 1 big leaf shaped like a heart, lime tree leaves or poplar leaves, oak leaves, a leaf shaped like a crest. Ginkgo biloba leaves are perfect, or oak leaves. A cardboard, glue, a book, a red felt tip, a punch pocket. Use the long leaves to make the tail feathers, yellow, red, green. The heart-shaped leaf will be the body. The oak leaf will be the neck with the wattles. The ginkgo biloba leaf will be the head and the crest. You can cut the leaves if you need just a piece of it. You can color parts of the leaves with the red felt tip. Add 2 wings and make the pose with some leaves stems. Cut the paper eyes and the beak, a red or yellow leaf tip. Do you like your composition? Let it dry inside the book for a week. If the leaves are flat and dried, the colors and shapes will remain for a very long time. Otherwise, your card will be a mess. Ready? Stick the leaves on the cardboard. Add the eyes and the beak. Flatten it inside the book for another day or 2 and put it in a punch pocket. Cut the white part. Write a Thanksgiving poem and put it on the other side of your card. Seal it with transparent tape. Happy Thanksgiving Day! This is a STEAM activity. You create an art craft and learn about leaves and trees. Use Google Lens and discover the names and properties. For example, this tree with long red leaves is the sumac and has been used by various Native American tribes as herbal medicine. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.